we are starting with practice set 5.3 standard 8 mathematics, and to start with 5.3 we should be very well versed in this formula a minus b the whole cube. Okay, in the previous exercise we did a plus b the whole cube, so here it is same, a cube and b cube is the same. Okay, and we write here 3a square b 3ab square, that is also same, only the signs different will be minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, so in a plus b the whole cube formula we had a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here in this formula only at two places you will have minus, very simple, after a and before b. Okay, so once again we'll write a cube b cube as it is. Okay, after a I'll put minus, before b I'll put minus. Okay, and 3ab plus 3ab as it is. So first square above a, second square above b. Students, you can find many other methods to remember, but make sure that you write it 5 times 10 times before starting the exercise. Okay, so we'll begin with the first sum. The first sum is 2m minus 5 the whole cube. Okay, so you can see this is a, this is b, so I'll write a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square, okay, 5 square, minus b cube. Okay, now 2m the whole cube, 2 cube becomes 8, m becomes m cube. Okay, minus, the first thing we do is we solve the exponent. This is 2 square, so this becomes 4, 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60, m becomes m square. Okay, plus here first I'll take 5 square, 25 plus 25 2s is 50, 53s is 150 m, and minus 125, 5 cube is 125. Okay, so this was your first sum, we put it in formula form. Let us do second one. Second one is 4 minus p the whole cube. Okay, this is a, this is b, a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square minus b cube. Okay, b is p here. So let us begin. What is 4 cube? 4 cube is 64, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, minus, first I'll do square, 4 square 16, 16 3s are 48 p. Okay, plus this will be 3 4s are 12 p square minus p cube. Okay, so you are done with second one. This is your final answer. Now let us move on to third one. So third one is 7x minus 9y the whole cube. So it is a cube minus 3a square b. Okay, correct, plus 3a b square, correct, minus b cube. Okay, minus b cube. Then 7 cube becomes 343 x cube, minus this will be 7 square 49, 49 3s is 147. Okay, 147 9 times. What is 147 9 times? 9 sevens are 63, 9 fours are 36 plus 6, 40, 9 ones are 9 plus 4, it is 1303. Okay, now let us see, wait, 49 threes is 147, 9 fours are 36 plus C, just a moment, 9 fours are 36 plus 6 is 42, 9 ones are 9 plus 4 is 1323, it is 1323 x square y. We will write the numbers also. Okay, plus, let us see, first I'll do this. 9 square is 81, 81 into 7, 81 sevens are is 567. Okay, so 567 3 times, 3 sevens are 21, 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20, 3 5s are 15 plus 2, it is 1701, x as it is, y square. Okay, minus, you know children what is 9 cube? 9 cube is 729, so it is y cube. Okay, so next one is the number form, which is 58 cube. Okay, so we'll take the nearest 10. What is the nearest 10 of 58? 60. So I'll write it 60 minus 2, sorry, the whole cube. Okay, now this is a minus b the whole cube. So a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square minus b cube. Okay, now 60 cube, it is very easy. First do 6 cube. What is 6 cube? 6 cube is 216, and 0 cube means 0 you have to write 3 times, minus 60 square, 6, this will be 3600, 3600 into 2 is 7200. Okay, and 7200 into 3, I will not take 100, I'll just take 72. So 72 3 times is 216, and 2 zeros we had to take. Okay, plus, here sign is plus, 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 6 are 72, so one more 0, 720 minus 8. Okay, so this is 2,16,000 minus 21,600. Okay, so how much is 2,16,000 minus 21,600? It is, let us see, 2,16,000 minus 21,600, 0 0 4, 2 plus 4 6, 2 plus 9 11, 1, 194 400. Okay, I'll add plus 720 to it. 0 2 11 5 195 120 minus 8, so it will become 112. Okay, so your answer is 195 112, so that comes to 1,95,112. Okay, then let us move on to fifth one, which is 198 cube. So fifth one is 198 the whole cube. I'll write it 200 minus 2. Okay, so this is A, this is B. A cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square, okay, minus b cube. Now 200 cube, 2 cube is 8, 2 zeros will become 6 zeros. Okay, so it becomes 80 lakhs. Okay, minus 200 square will be 4 and 6 zeros, so it will be 40,000. Sorry, 4 and 4 zeros, correct, 40,000. Okay, so 40,000 into 2 is 80,000 and 80,000 into 3 is 2,40,000. Okay, so this is 2,40,000 plus, let us see what is this. 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 2400, 2 zeros. Okay, minus 2 cube is 8. Okay, so this is 80 lakhs, 1 2 3 4 5, 80 lakhs minus 24 lakhs, sorry, 2,40,000. 80 lakhs minus 2,40,000 is 7760. Okay, 77 lakh 60,000, correct? Now 77 lakh 60,000 plus 2400. Okay, now minus 8 I am doing here. 2400 minus 8 is 2392, correct? So I'll be adding only 2392. 2400 minus 8 I have done. So this will be 2932776. Okay, so your answer is 7762392, which you can call 77,62,392. Okay, let us move on to sixth one. 2p minus 1 by 2p the whole cube. Okay, so here you can see this is a. I'm writing a cube minus 3a square b. Okay, plus 3ab square, correct, minus b cube. Okay, so this becomes 2 cube becomes 8, p cube minus, you can see here 2p square means 2p 2 times, and here 2p is 1 time, so 1 2p and 1 2p will get cancelled. What remains is 1 2p. Are you getting? So we'll multiply 3 with 1 time 2p, so it will become 6p. Okay, rest 1 2p and 1 2p will get cancelled. Plus here also 1 2p and 1 2p will get cancelled. 1 2p will be in the denominator, correct? What remains is the numerator is 3. 3 into 1 is 3, minus 1 cube is 1, 2p cube is 8p cube. Okay, so this is your answer for sixth one. Okay, let us move on to seventh one. That is 1 minus 1 by a the whole cube. So I'll take this as a, this as b. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, 1 cube is 1 minus 1 square 1, so 3 into 1 into 1 is 3. Numerator you have to multiply. 3 ones are 3, again 3 ones are 3 upon a. Okay, plus here this will become 1, 1 into 1 into 3 is 3 upon this will become a square. Okay, minus 1 cube is 1, a cube is a cube. Okay, so this was your seventh one. Let us move on to eighth one. Eighth one is x by 3 minus 3 by x the whole cube. So this is your a, this is your b. I'll write a cube minus 3a square b, okay, plus 3a b square minus b cube. Okay, so this very simple, it will be x cube upon 27. 3 cube is 27. Let us see what is this. 3 and 3 becomes 9. Okay, and this also becomes 9. So what I'll do is I'll write 3 into, I'll make its square, x square upon 9 into 3 by x. Okay, here also I'll simplify the bracket first. 3 into x by 3 into 3 square is 9 upon x square. Okay, minus this becomes 3 cube 27 upon x cube. Now this is x cube upon 27 minus, if you observe this, 3 3s is 9, so I'll cut 3 1s are 3 3s and 3 1s are 3 1s. Okay, what remains here? X square upon x. So 1x and 1x will get cancelled. What remains is single x. Okay, plus you can see here 3 3 I'll cancel, x I'll cancel, 1x remains. What remains in the numerator? 9, in the denominator x. Here no need to solve anything, just bring it down. Okay, so this is your answer for 8th one. Okay, x cube by 27 minus x plus 9 by x minus 27 upon x cube. Okay, now let us move on to question number 2. So question number 2, first one, as you can observe, two brackets are given where we have whole bracket cube. Okay, now as we have to expand them, okay, as we have to expand them, it is a plus b the whole cube. So I'll write it a cube plus 3a square b is b here, okay, plus 3a b square plus b cube. Okay, so this we have written, first one we have expanded. Okay, minus this is, because this is minus and this is a minus b the whole cube, everything I'll be writing in the bracket. So a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square, okay, minus b cube. Okay, bracket close. See students, I am putting here square bracket because we have inside round brackets. So round brackets has to be supported by square brackets. You cannot put round brackets 2 times. Okay, now this is 8a cube, correct, plus 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, a square b plus 3 2s are 6, 6 ab square plus b cube minus, still I am not opening the brackets, square brackets I am putting as it is. 2a cube is 8a cube minus 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, a square b, okay, 12 a square b plus 3 2s are 6 ab square minus b cube. Okay, now the next step is we'll open the brackets because here everything is inside the square bracket. So once we open the bracket here, each of the sign will get changed, okay, because minus will be multiplied to each of the term, so all the signs will become opposite. This as it is 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube minus 8a cube, this will become plus 12a square b, this will become minus, minus plus is minus 6ab square, and this will become plus, minus minus is plus b cube. Okay, now let us see what can we cancel. Minus 8a cube gets cancelled. Okay, plus b cube we cannot cancel. Okay, minus 6ab square plus 6ab square we can cancel. Okay, so what remains is 12a square b plus 12a square b becomes 24a square b. Okay, and plus b cube becomes plus 2b cube. Correct? Now, is there anything that we can take common here? Yes, we can take 2b common, but for the time being you can keep it as it is. Okay, so 24a square b plus 2b cube is your final answer. Okay, so second one, as you can see, it is similar to first one. The only thing is here in between you have plus sign, and here you have a minus b the whole cube, and then a plus b the whole cube. So I'll write a cube minus 3a square b, okay, plus 3a b square, correct, minus b cube. Okay, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, correct, plus this. I will not put the bracket because plus sign is there before the bracket, so directly you can write a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, now here this will become 27r cube minus, I'll do square first, 3 square 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54 r square k. Okay, plus 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 r k square. Okay, minus this will become 8k cube. Okay, plus let us see what is this. This will become 27r cube plus 3 square 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54 r square k, plus 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 r k square, plus 8k cube. Okay, so now if you can see, what can we cancel here? 27 plus minus 54 plus 54 r square k, so this will become 0. Okay, and minus 8k cube plus 8k cube will become 0. So what remains here is 27r cube plus 27r cube, this will become 54r cube, plus 36rk square plus 36rk square becomes 72rk square. Okay, so your final answer is this. Okay, let us move on to third one. So third one, as you can see, it is 4a minus 3 the whole cube minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube. So here in between minus is there, so we'll use square brackets. Here first one is a minus b the whole cube, so I'll write a cube minus 3a square b, correct, plus 3a b square, okay, minus b cube, correct. Then here sign of minus, and again we'll use square bracket. Okay, so this is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, correct, plus b cube, square bracket close. Now 4a cube is what? 64a cube minus 4 square is 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 into 3 is how much? It is 144a square, okay, plus 3 square 9, 9 4s are 36, 36 3 times is 108a, okay, minus 3 cube is 27. Again let us take the help from here. 4a cube we did here, it is 64a cube plus 3 4 square 16 3s are 48, 3s are 144a square plus 9 4s are 36, 3s are, this is 108a plus 3 cube is 27. Now as you have minus sign before the bracket, so every sign of this bracket will get changed, rest everything will copy down. Minus 64a cube minus 144a square minus 108a minus 27. All the signs will get opposite. Now let us see what can we cancel here. Minus 64 plus 64a cube, minus 144 we cannot cancel, minus 108a plus 108a becomes 0. Okay, so here what remains? Minus 27 minus 27. What remains is minus 144 minus 144, so it will become minus 288. Yes or no? Yes, correct. A square. And minus 27 will become minus 54. Okay, so this is how we have done the third one. Let us move on to the last sum, fourth one. So fifth one is 5x minus 7y the whole cube. So this is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube, okay, plus, see children, here plus sign is there in between, so no need of square brackets directly because signs will not get changed. Signs only get changed when there is minus sign in between two brackets. So here 5x a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, okay, plus b cube. Now y cube is 125 x cube minus this is 25, 5 square is 25, 3s are 75, 7 times is how much? Let us work out 75, 7 and 490 plus 35 is 525 x square y, okay, plus this is 49, 3 times is 147. What is 147? 5 times, 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 23, it is 735 xy square, okay, minus 7y cube you know children, it is 343y cube, okay, plus this is 125x cube, 5 square 25, 3s are 75 into 7, again we are checking, 7 5s are 35, 52, correct, 525 x square y plus this is how much? 7 square 49, 49 3s are 147, 147 5 times is 735 xy square, plus this is 343 y cube. Okay, so now let us see what can we cancel. We can cancel 125x cube. Okay, very sorry, we cannot cancel this 125x cube. Okay, this is plus, I just thought it is minus, and we can cancel minus 525x square y plus 525x square y, minus 343 y cube plus 343 y cube. Okay, so here 125x cube plus 125x cube is 250x cube. Okay, now what remains? Plus 735 plus 735 xy square. What is 700 plus 700? 1400, or 1400 plus 35 35 70, 1470 xy square. So with this, children, we come to the end of practice set 5.3. Keep practicing maths. Just ask below in the comment section if you have any doubts. I'll come to you and solve it for you. Okay, goodbye, good luck.